ꯊꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ-ꯇꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯐꯒꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 60,000ꯒꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯎꯇꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ MP ꯑꯜꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯉꯝ-ꯑꯥꯊꯔꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ꯫ Manipur Police na lona thingkraba lal honglup RPF PLA da yauhannaba puramba nupi macha ani kanba ngamhongbaga loinana tongan ba lona thingkraba lal honglup singi kadra taret amasu fagat pangamkhrei Manipur Police control room degi thadorakpa paw amada security force na kanba ngamhoraba nupi macha ani adu amana ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯕꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯀꯣꯜ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯂꯨꯞ RPF PLAꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯒꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯕ ꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯔꯣꯕꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯐꯩꯔꯦꯞꯄ ꯆꯍꯤ 19 ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯕꯖꯥꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯊꯦꯡ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ 53 ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯥꯟꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯄꯔꯁꯟ CWC ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯂꯨꯞ KCP PWGꯒꯤ ꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯦꯝ ꯒꯨꯜꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯅꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 30 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯦꯝ ꯖꯅꯟ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ 32 ꯍꯧꯕꯝ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯀꯩꯁꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ नंबर 36 HE grenade without detonator mari mobile phone ani sel oina lupa chani ga humpu two wheeler ama fagatle hairi makoi ani asi senkhai thungkhai chathabada chenabani hairi amarom dasu lona thingraba lal holup UPPK United People's Party of Kanglaipa ki kadra ama kaira wangkhem ngarigan chingkhong under Irilbung Police Station Imphal East District gi fagat pangam ki hairi security force na faraba kadra adu ningombam bonbon sing elai samu chahi nifu mangani hairi mahang general public private farm government officials sing da extortion chathabada natana arms amadi ammunition yonthok yonsin tawbada chenabani hairi miyoi ani asidagi 32 pistol ama 32 live ammunition Nipan Sistore Hairi Amasung Security Force Alona Thinkraba Lalhol 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 Kadra Ani Wangu Sabal under Kumbi Police Station Bisnupur District Tegi Fare Hairi Kadra Ani Adudi Pukrambam Bimol Singh Elias Inau Chahi 38 Amadi Athopam Surachandra Singh Elias Khaba Elias Rabichandra Chahi Nifu Nitweni Hairi Miyoi Ani Asidagi mobile phone Ani Amadi Aadhar card Ani seize Tawre Hairi Lanjenaraba miyoi 60,000ꯒꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯎꯇꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ MP ꯑꯜꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯉꯝ-ꯑꯥꯊꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯇ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯇ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ BJP ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ Mahatma Gandhi NREG scheme gi fund 2023 dagi chamamna handuna lakli maram sing asina supplementary demand for grant Manipur budget demand for access grant nongna khanasi haiba wafam puthoki
2023-24 Narega material component 50% has not been released. 24-25 nothing has been released, and the mandates that are being given there are 25 mandates in a year. The budget, there is no increase this time from the union again. We are passing this budget, there is no increase.
It's a demand-driven scheme.
Sir, I agree. I know of this scheme, sir.
So state
they are being given a target because state matching share if the state does not give. When you are not releasing material component for 2023-24, how do you expect those poverty-stricken, marginalized people to create more? How are they going to work more? If this is a committed liability scheme, you are committed to pay. But when the union government does not even clear 23-24,
clear-cut ratio 60-40 labor component.
But that is why I am saying, I know the facts, I know the figures, and I am very clear in this, Mr. Chair, sir. You have not released. There is an injustice to the state, and you are not even increasing that you will clear off the dues. 2 years cut dues is not yet clear. When you talk of your National Social Assistance Program, what is the status today? Last payment was made in the month of March 2023. March, National Old Age Scheme, Pension Scheme, you talk of the widow pension scheme. All those schemes are way back in 2023 last released. 2 years. What are those schemes for then? When the most marginalized are left out to hang dry. I have not seen the budget reflected that they will pay off. I have not seen. Nothing is given here.
Imagi Mairana Imphal de Lehoriba Ima Singapuna Kuchsamnaduna Akan Makongjang Changsenaba Sem Saragani Haina Imagi Mairagi President Ye Suzatana Fongdorakli Mahakna Pangmi Singh da Makhataraduna Imagi Mairagi Mihut Singna Tha Sigi Tang Ahumda Delhi de Chatuna President of India Amadi BJP Central President da Point Ahum Yauba Memorandum Amagaloina Haukiba Tang March ki tarik mangada unabagi appointment launabagi request amaga loidana thajan kibani adubu appointment number ama pirakpa natana unabagi numit ngasi fawba Piraktabana Maram Oiraga Kongjang Changsinaba Kanabani Haina Fongdorakli.
CM now resign to Matunda Kaigumba Masaka Amasema Ngamdre, Lady MLA Mamnasu, Aduki Matakta President rules at Hamjala, President rules at Hamjala, consider Nasina Amu, President rule Bauta, when order the when accept of the report of Malapo, Matamsta, Aina Son the Hazari, Port Moy Center, Lady Mam, the Moy the Tariba Memorandum, Moy the Piri Bakway appointment kit over there, when I see that, except of the same white, Hosi Bobo Moy reason came to hide the Haying with the Higari Haying Sigan, I Jeraga, I Hamsitse, in fact, Tucherani, in fact, Tulakanda, Magi Mirana. Makata bakari step ama lobota ge have a photo madu lawjarani ngasi aina Delhi da pishali batori base kai maram gi no haibadadi taseng na khoina matam amada state sarkar do leinga de sarkar da tainarami hojiti article 356 talai khabadina governor na pai khabadina madu ki responsibility puna makto center gi oibom thokpanina center da so khoina masigi pot khodimak se demand khodimak se changchalak bani akhoina taseng na imai gi mairana tumina leiba leite mai gi khongthang du gi matungina khoi thangba khongthang ni taseng na khoi imai mairadi move toba adegi kano toba dum amta pamjaba nate asum step to chalaga Moy the Tangna by a photo, Maduki Kontang, the Siena Delida, Gam Toraka Jabani, Adubu, Hayang Boxi and Matu, Hayang Sidaka, but Kanoto Bragadi Hanchi, the Toy and Tuxeraga, Aduga, Imagi, Mairagi, Masinga, Luina Nakai, Makata, by Prazamianga, Luina Nakai, Toxiki, Habado, Kanaba, Gimatamado, Aina, Palda, Manipur, Yojarakanda, Nianga, Tanamineres.
Manipur Miyam da ngasi fawba lakpa ngaidiba Prime Minister gi Mauritius Khongchet Congress na yaning da fongdokre Prime Minister na chahi ani mapung fazalaklaba asi fawba Manipur da laktaba haibisi state asigi miyam bu ikai bapibani Congress ki General Secretary Jairam Ramesh na hai Prime Minister yam na toina tongan mafam singda chatli hauzikna Mauritius ta chatli adumoinamak PR thamkraba matung da fawba state asigi phibam di nemthaba laitri panbayai Prime Minister na Mauritius ta chief guest oina National Celebration Day da saruk yagadawri loinana top leaders singasu wari sanagadawri
Finance Minister has tabled a Manipur budget envisaging an expenditure of rupees 35,103 crores, जिसमें से सोशल सेक्टर आउटले जो है वो लगभग 9,520 करोड़ का है. Demand for excess grants is related to the year 21-22, which has occurred in 2 grants, 2 appropriations amounting to rupees 1,000. Sir, I hope the Parliamentary Affairs Minister will help us to conduct this discussion in a normal proceeding.
Gaurav go ahead, please.
Sir, मैं आपको दोबारा बोलना चाहता हूं कि ये सप्लीमेंट्री डिमांड्स फॉर ग्रांट्स आए उसको लेकर हम चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन आज जो विषय है देश के सामने वो बहुत गंभीर है और बहुत अफसोस की बात यह है कि ये पूरा सरकार आज सिर्फ हेडलाइंस को कैसे नियंत्रित करे उस पे ज्यादा जोर दे रहे हैं. पूरा सरकार भाषणों पे ज्यादा निर्भर है. पूरा सरकार चाहता है कि पूरा देश उनके भाषणों, उनके इवेंट मैनेजमेंट, उनके हेडलाइंस पे ध्यान दे और वास्तविक जो स्थिति है उस पे उनका ध्यान न जाए.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah gi machanupa 𝐶𝐫 haina fake call scam tawba mioi ahum Delhi dagi Manipur da purakre Manipur police ki makutta sinarakraba mioi ahum aduna hantak Chief Minister Nongtoba Birena resign tawkraba matung Chief Minister gi phampi ge lupa karor mari gi sanpham piu haina Speaker Thokchom Saitabrat Singh amadi MLA krada February thagi ahanba weeks anida call tawraki hairi makhoi ahum gi mathakta cheating amadi impersonation gi maralda Bharatiya Nanias Sanhita BNS ki section 3184 amadi 3192 ki makada case pankre hairi nakalamarop dasu chap manaba matamda sahi taramapan gi miyoi amana 𝐶𝐫 saduna Uttarakhand BJP MLA Adesh Chauhan dagi lupa lakh manga gi senpham demand tawbaga mari leinana fare hairi Haukiba February gi tarik 19 da New Delhi gi Dwarka da laiba Radisson Blue Hotel gi conversation hall da pangthok ki ba Asian country sing da laiba institution private industry healthcare organization social workers amadi sports organization singi best top leaders singi list laukthokpada Manipur dagi Oza Jugesho Khetrimayum bu outstanding contribution towards martial art worldwide ni haina laukthokpaga loinana ikai khumnaba utuna Asia's leadership award 2025 asi renowned Bollywood actress Sonali Bendre na khuchinakibani Oza Jugesho Khetrimayum India Koso Federation gi managing director oina puriba idam damasigi youth singbu taksi kasi tambiduna amadi nisagi ipak tagi lapthok anduna masamo faba kunai ama sembada achoba thodang lawriba martial arts ki oza amani Oza Jugesho Khetrimayum Kaksing Turel Wangma ward number 5 tagini aduga hauzik na Bangalore gi Warrior Kung Fu Academy gi chief instructor oina sanaroi chamli gi yankhaimuk training piriba oza amani
Our companies mainly focus for each and every students, and more for looking forward to their achieving in the future more to like brightness actually. So especially for discipline, self-defense and fitness, we are focusing on beyond this. Actually, I would like to bring up more our students to high level and let them perform in the Asian Games and the Olympic Games.
Inat Yokatpa Luptin Manipur Iwolna Pokpadagina Siba Pawgi Thoram Singh da Honglakliba Matat Amadi Masina Kunai Singi Senmit Londa Piriba Chaiteng Haiba Hiramda Paring Naina Chatarakpa Wakal Taminabigi Thoram Ngasisu Kwakatel Akham Laikai gi Klapta Miyam Puna Suruk Yaduna Pangthokre Thoram Aduda Iolgi Warep Singh Bab Taminabada Natana Honglakliba Matat Singi Mayokta Punna Lepminaduna Inat ki Thoram Tamak Pangthoknaba Punna Wasaklominaki
material component 50% has not been released. 24-25 nothing.
Hauzik aroibada maroiba pau amukhanna pizari.
25 man days in a year.
Manipur police na Hauzik aroibada maroiba pau amukhanna pizari. Manipur police na aina thingkraba lal hoglup amada yawhonnaba puramba nupi macha ani kanba ngaphobaga loinana tongan ba lona thingkraba lal hoglup sigi kadra taret amasu fakat pangamkre. Amadi Lanjenaraba Mioi Lising Humpugi budget Yaudana Yumda Hanbangam Loi Haina, Outer Manipur Parliamentary gi MP Alfred Kangam Atana Fongdokre.
We are passing this budget. It's a demand-driven scheme.
Sir, I agree.
Ngasi ko ina notice pintu TV na Ngasi ko ina notice pintu TV na sandok chaba numidangi Manipuri pau matang ngasir loizari bideng tabiri ba pumno mo pamukhanna khurumjari.
Hello everyone, welcome to newtv. We are hiring an anchor for news and others program. Interested candidate may call in the number given below 8257-036391, and the candidate should call on or before 12th of March without fail. New TV da punamakpu taram nokchari New TV gi oina khugi anchor akhugi pau gi news ki anchor amadi tongan ba program gi anchor akhui lawje kadauri hairiba akhugi anchor si oibining ba interested oiba candidate singna makhada pijariba number asida akhoi call tawbiro makhada pijariba number di 8257036391 asida call tawbiro masisu pigi lakadoriba March ki tang taragani thogi mamangda call tawbiro. Thank you.
Smart Coaching Center SCC gi maikai degi parents singi maphamda yamna nungairaba paujel ama puduna lakchari madudi lakliba January gi tarik 9 2025 ta Smart Coaching Center na maru oina class 9 amasung 10 gi first foundation course achauba kudongchaba kayaga loinana suksoi soidana hauzaragani maramasina akupa marol gi damak pizariba number 8974040081 da pau faubirau maphamna hata mana ingkol opposite public hospital Smart Coaching Center gi maphamda leiriba kudongchaba khradang makhada pizari boarding gi kudongchaba leigani boarding da leiba angang sing namas compulsory oigani kudongchaba si mama mapa oiba singna suksoi soidana lobiyu
nurses sing da maktu nuara ba thabaki pau 85,000 dagina 1 lakh fawba gi thagi salary oigada wuni Saudi Arabia ge hospital da tawgada job ni mahi gi thak JNM VSc was BSc nursing certificate holder oigada wuni yamdra ba chahi ani ge experience legada wuni akang na sit machine ni direct recruitment job ni ahan ba lakpa sing da hana khudong chaba pijagani thagi salary gi mathakta ACC ARPT MET amasung additional allowance sing legani masagi passport leiraba candidate sing gi damakta processing time sumna tangi week ani khak oigani ngasima contact obiyu 700-506-3196 natraga 708-5972-311 Ngasimak Lason Biru North Window Building 2nd floor New Chakon Road above Jamjam Traders Imphal East